ginawa ang may likha, 7,000 pulo ang ginawa. Mga hiyas na inilatag sa malasutlang dagat, at ang bayan niyang pinili nasa dulo.
The Bancora Church ruins, popularly known as the Simbahang Bato, was built in circa 1680 by Augustinian missionaries who were serious in bringing Christianity to the first settlers. Made from adobe and corals, it serves as a house of prayer for devotees and fortress against the frequent Moro raids. On 11th of September 1824, it was looted and burned during the massive Moro raids, Assaultos de Moro. The remains of the original structure become a refuge for the townspeople from the Japanese soldiers during the Second World War. They drew winds in the country. The local revived it by building a church within the church. The Simbahang Bato reflects the fervent devotion of Nauheños and the timeless history of Nauhan.